Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising voice for truth, justice, and liberation. This marks a pivotal moment in the global stance against both the Nigeria Christian genocide and terror in West Africa.
Has criticized the Nigerian Ports Authority for its decision to shift operational focus from Lagos ports to the Warri Port Complex, arguing that the problem lies in the authority's policy flaws rather than Lagos ports themselves. Adekoya Hassan, Senior Special Assistant to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu on transportation and logistics, stated that while the governor has shown unwavering dedication to addressing port congestion, the NPA's policies remain a significant obstacle to achieving seamless cargo movement within the Apapa Port Corridor. In a post on X, Hassan listed multiple toll points, inefficient e-call-up system, favoritism and racketeering, abuse of power by senior officials, and misinformation circulated through truck unions as major factors sustaining the gridlock. He argued that if these policies were reformed to reflect present economic realities, congestion at Apapa would be drastically reduced, eliminating the need for what he described as an unpopular decision. Now, the governor's special assistant urged that the true situation be presented to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, stressing that the NPA itself plays a central role in the persistent congestion of the Lagos Port Corridor. Like
decentralization, which is that we can't have all major economic activities, especially where logistics are concerned, being centralized, concentrated in Lagos or in Abuja. Especially with where the ports are concerned, Lagos is usually the focus. So I believe that the points being made by the commissioner are valid, that the decongestion, especially we've been on this Apapa matter for so many years, that needs to happen.
Nice one. So I don't see, and this is basically what the Yoruba people are doing to Igbo people, in particular Southeasterners in Nigeria. They don't want to give us Seaport. They want everything to be in that their Lagos. But at the same time, they'll be saying, oh, you have to go back to your place. Go back to your place. They'll be destroying Igbo people's houses in Lagos, burning Igbo people's shop every 2 months. You know? I've never seen this kind of wickedness in my life. How can you have a country of over 200 million people with only one seaport? There should be seaport in that their Calabar, whatever. There should be seaport in Southeast itself. There should be seaport in Warri. There should be seaport in River State. Why is everything in Lagos, Lagos, Lagos? And there's another thing that I noticed. Even though Lagos is no longer the capital of Nigeria, they are still giving Lagos the highest allocation of the country every month. That is wrong. You know? I believe that all of this is politics against the rest of the country, especially Southeast, because the Yoruba people are in bed with the Hausa and the Fulani. Okay, give us our Biafra. Let us go our own way. They don't want to let us go. What is people's problem? Whether I like it or not, we have to have our own country, and at the same time, we have to have our own seaport, because somebody cannot be traveling all the way from Southeast to Lagos to go and clear a good that they've already spent millions of naira to clear. Then as you are traveling with your goods back to Southeast with all the bad roads, and you know, I swear, the level of wickedness in Nigeria government is too much. Deliberately, they refuse to build that Benin Expressway that leads to Onitsha. You know, they refuse to repair that road. Go to the north, every road they have there is beautiful, done by Julius Berger. But that road from Benin to Onitsha, rubbish. They leave it like that on purpose so that when you are moving there with your goods will, the lorry will, or the trailer, it will fall down. And you spend millions again, wasting more and more money. At the end of the day, all of this trickles down to the final consumer. Something that is supposed to buy for 5,000 naira, they will not tell you it's 30,000. Do you not see it? So as long as I'm concerned, and if you are to look at things critically, Lagos State is responsible for the underdevelopment of the rest of Nigeria, apart from Abuja. Because if the resources are shared evenly, and if every other part of the country is allowed to have seaports, those that can, then Everything will be uniform. People will not be centralized in Lagos. People will travel, will leave Lagos and start going to different parts of the country. Not when you come to a Lagos city, a Lagos state, a very small state. You have how many millions of people there? Overpopulation, pollution, dirty everywhere.
What Arewa tried to do was to divide Nigeria into north and south. Is that correct?
Arewa was not dividing any Nigeria.
That is the way you were comparing our claim.
We're not comparing your claim.
You are responding to...
We were making
a response.
Statistical...
You were making a response.
As a response, yes.
Ndi Igbo said they have no refinery in Igbo land. And your response is, South has one refinery, North has one refinery. That is what you said. Is that correct?
Yes.
That one in the South, is it in Igbo land?
It is in the part of Nigeria.
Is it in Igbo land?
Nigeria is not administered by ethnic groups, my lord. Let us understand something.
There is a claim before this panel, not by Nigerians.
Against who? For a
against the federal government for injustice. And they say there are 2-3 refineries in Nigeria.
Yes.
There is one in Kanu.
Yes.
There is Kaduna.
Kaduna.
He answered.
I answered. I'm just saying yes to you because yes. You show me the one in Kanu.
There is one in Kaduna. There is one in Port Harcourt. There is one in Warri. They are drilling for one unsuccessfully in Maiduguri. There is none in Ndibo. Is that correct? All right.
My lord,
is that correct?
You have talked. Look, when you say Port Harcourt, you didn't say Nkwere or whatever drive is there. When you said Kanu, you didn't say Hausa. The petrol refinery in Kanu that you said, or in Kaduna, is not for Hausas. You didn't say the one in Calabar is not.
Again, you have no.
When it comes to your own, say Igbo land.
Did you read
the fuel station, the petrol refinery distributed according to? We should now have 400 refineries.
Can I ask another question? Do you know Sisi Ono, Chief Sisi Ono?
Chief who?
Chief Sisi Ono.
I've heard of him.
Good.
The one whose daughter is married to Ojukwu. Oh, who? I don't know who you are talking about. Chief.
I don't know people by their female children.
Ah.
Well, that Ojukwu gave evidence in Enugu.
Ojukwu?
Yes, Ono.
Oh no.
Sisi Ono, yes.
Yeah, he gave his daughter.
He gave evidence.
Oh, he gave evidence.
Yes. You read it in the transcript. He said, he gave the positions of electricity in Nigeria. He said the one at Oju River was cannibalized since 1966.
Yes.
Since then, the federal government has built a power station in Chirora Dam.
Yes.
Power stations in 11 places in Nigeria.
Yes.
And they have not bothered to repair Oji.
Unfortunate.
Good.
I have also complained about the mismanagement of our resources.
Is that just? It's unfortunate.
I said it's unfortunate.
Thank you.
You are supposed to maintain what you have. We fail to maintain what we have, not just.
Do you know? If you don't know, say you don't know. There are 46 federal government sponsored irrigation dams. You know what I mean?
Alive or dead?
Irrigation, not dam, D-A-M.
Yes, I say, are those dams alive or dead?
I said they are functioning now that we are talking. 46 in the north. In all the states in the north. There is none in Ohaneze Ndiwo area. Do you know?
I don't know.
You will not know.
There is none in Boraland, as much as I know.
You have not petitioned. That is the problem.
Well, if Nigeria has been developing by petition, now we know. I thought Nigeria is developing by development plans.
The federal government, in the speech which you read,
yes,
the head of state speech,
yes,
he inaugurated this and said, because of these inadequacies,
yes,
because of these complaints about marginalization,
yes,
those who feel injured,
yes,
who feel marginalized,
yes,
should come to these people here. That's why we're here.
Human rights on development.
That's what the head of state said.
Yes, I agree.
Those who feel they are marginalized,
yes,
or even threatened
and that's
by
why we have responded, because we are marginalized.
You have not responded. You have not claimed. You have not made any claim.
No, we have no claim, but we have responded. We have said when you go by this, we too were doubly marginalized.
Arewa has been said to be a busybody group. Do you agree?
A
busybody going around. Things, interlopers, somebody says. People who don't have anything that concerns them, but they put themselves into it. I put to you, that
is our democratic right to participate in everything in Nigeria in which we feel we are concerned. We are not interlopers.
For how many minutes?
We are not immigrants. We are indigenous. We are entitled to whatever you claim, we can also claim.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.